Do we have to pay the trash man?
If you want him to pick up your trash.
Oh.
Otherwise, he just leaves it at the curb. I know.
Where's the curb?
The corner of the street. I remember one time I put all this trash out there. Finally got it all out there in time. And he just drove right by. And I was like, what in the world? I forgot to pay the bill. So he's like, I'm not picking it up. Look at that. Sometimes I like to work while we're eating. Do you know that?
Why?
Oh, that's a little old. Old and moldy. So I can patch it a little older anyways. Fill it full.
Yeah.
And smush it flat. And that's that.
Yeah.
Anytime you see a hole, tell me and I'll patch it, okay? Today. That's our mission.